Jai Swaminarayan friends. In this video lecture, we start the chapter number 4, quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. First, we discuss the general formula method. General formula. Quadratic equation. First, we discuss quadratic polynomial in 9th standard. Suppose we write px equal to ax square plus bx plus c. P of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0, it is called quadratic polynomial. It is called quadratic polynomial. If you can write here px equal to quadratic polynomial, and here highest power, quadratic, that means highest power 2, it is called quadratic. So a standard form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. First term is always we write x square, second term we write x, and third term is constant. Here a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. Our condition is a is not equal to 0 because a is the coefficient of highest power x square. Right? If a equal to 0, then this term will be cancelled because 0 into any number answer 0. So we do not write this your quadratic polynomial, it is called linear polynomial. Right? So quadratic polynomial condition is what? Coefficient of x square never can be 0. Is that clear? Okay. If we write, suppose give an example, 3x square minus 7x plus 6. This is your quadratic polynomial. This is your quadratic polynomial. Another example, px equal to x square plus x minus 6. This is your quadratic polynomial. Clear? You have already studied in 9th standard polynomial chapter. And we also studied in second chapter polynomial. Right? But here we discuss the quadratic equation. But we start quadratic polynomial. Okay? Now px equal to x square plus x minus 6. In last video lecture, we discussed the factorization. Right? We discussed the factorization. Okay? So now factorize this one. Here last term is 6. Last term is 6. Now 6 factor of 6. 6 ones are 3 twos are. Right? 6 ones are 3 twos are. Now here last term is negative. 6 minus 1 is 5. But here middle term is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So here possible. So here factor is x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. Right? Now x common. X plus 3. Here again x plus 3. Here negative sign minus 2x. X is in the bracket. 2 outside the bracket. So here x plus 3 and x minus 2. This is your quadratic polynomial. First we discuss quadratic polynomial. Then we go to the quadratic equation. Right? So px equal to x square plus x minus 6. This is your quadratic polynomial. This one is also quadratic polynomial. This is your simple form. Right? Both are same. Okay. Now, if we put here x equal to minus 3. If we put here x equal to minus 3, that is p minus 3. Put here x equal to minus 3, here or here, anyone. Okay? Put here minus 3, so minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 minus 2. Here cancel. 0 into any number, answer is 0. Here we put x equal to minus 3. That means p minus 3, answer is 0. So minus 3 is called the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of this quadratic polynomial. Next one. If we put x equal to 2, if we put x equal to 2, put here. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 into any number, answer 0. So P2 is also 0. That means here minus 3 and 2, these two are zeros of the quadratic polynomial. This you are studied in 9th standard. Is that clear? You can also second words option 0, roots. Minus 3 and 2 are root of the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Clear? Now in this same question, if we write in this form, x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation form. This is your quadratic polynomial form. If we write here px equal to, but is this quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation form. Is that clear, the concept of the quadratic equation? Because concept basic of the quadratic equation is quadratic polynomial. You have studied in 9th standard. Now we studied in deeply quadratic equation. This is your quadratic equation standard form where a is not equal to 0. So our mind is clear that if any equation is quadratic, then highest power of x is 2. Clear? Okay. Now we give the quadratic equation standard form. Now we give some examples. We write here in board. We discuss if this equation are quadratic or not. These equations are quadratic or not. First we discuss second one, this one. X minus 2 and x plus 3, right? Same question here. X minus 2 and x plus 3. Discuss here. Look here. This one. X minus 2, x plus 3 equal to 0. Now open the bracket. X multiplied by this 2. X into x square. X into 3, 3x. Now minus 2 multiplied by this 2. Minus 2x and minus 6 equal to 0. X square, 3 minus 2, 1x minus 6 equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation. Highest power is 2. Yeah. So this is your quadratic equation. Now first question. X upon 1, 1 upon x equal to 2. Here denominator is x, here denominator is 1. Here same equal denominators. Multiply by x. X square upon x, 1 upon x. Here also 2 upon 1. So 2 upon 2x upon x. So same denominator in left side. X square plus 1 upon x equal to 2x upon x. X cut, same denominator. Now x square, 2x in left side, minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation because highest power 2. Clear? And third one, here highest power is 2. Look here. Okay, so it is called quadratic equation. Okay. Now fourth question. Here 1 upon x plus 1 minus 1 upon x minus 1 equal to 3 upon 1. First we left side, in a left side cross multiplication. First we take the cross multiplication. First we write LCM. X plus 1, x minus 1, 3 upon 1. We only verify this sum is quadratic or not. Right? We start the basic of the quadratic equation. Here minus sign as it is. Now cross multiplication. X minus 1 multiplied by here. X minus 1. Then x plus 1 is multiplied by here. but here minus, so sign change, x minus 1. So in numerator, plus minus x cancel. So here minus 1 and minus 1, minus 2. In denominator, our identity a plus b, same of the two bracket, first term same, second term same, only sign different. So a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. A square, that is x square, b square, that is 1 square, is 1. Here 3 upon 1. Now cross multiplication. Here minus 2. And this bracket is here 3 into x square minus 1. Minus 2 equal to 3x square minus 3. Okay, now minus 2 in right side. So here 0. 3x square minus 3 and plus 2. So here minus 1. This is your quadratic equation. We write in the standard form. First we write 3x. Here x, term of the x is not given. So we write here 0x, because 0 into any number, 0. Right? So minus 1 equal to 0. This is your standard form of the quadratic equation. Here highest power is 2. Alright? So it is your quadratic equation. Our quadratic equation standard form is this one. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Right? Only in your question ax square equal to 0. This is your also quadratic equation, because our condition is a is not 0. If you question in your question only this term is given, suppose 3x square equal to 0. 3 in denominator, so x square equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation. Right? If you write here ax square plus bx is equal to 0. You can write also this your quadratic equation, because our condition is a is not a. First term never can be 0. Coefficient of x square never can be 0. Otherwise you can write also ax square minus 5 minus plus c equal to 0. This is your also quadratic equation. This your here c equal to 0, here b equal to 0, but a is not equal to 0. Right? Our condition is what? A is not equal to 0. So coefficient of x square is never can be 0. Right? Coefficient of b is 0, possible. C is constant term, 0, possible. Yeah. But coefficient of x square is not 0, never. Right? Okay. So this was 3x square plus 0x minus 1 equals 0. This is your standard form of the quadratic equation. Compare this one here. So a equal to 3, b equal to 0 and c equal to minus 1. Is that clear? Okay. Now this question, fourth one. Look here, 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. Here 4x plus 3 and x minus 5. Okay, this is your identity a plus b and a minus b. Maths identity a plus b, a minus b. First term same, second term same. Only sign change. So a square minus b square. A square minus b square. And here open the bracket. 4x multiplied by x minus 5. And plus 3 multiplied by x minus 5. Here 4x square minus 1. Open the bracket here. 4x square, 5 4s are 20x plus 3x, 3 5s are 15. Equal term will be cancelled. Now we do not simplify here, because here x square is cancelled. Look here. Only x, highest power x is given. X square is not possible here. So this is your not a quadratic equation. Clear? Okay. This question. X minus 1 upon x plus 1 minus x plus 1 upon x minus 1 equal to 2 by 3. Now first we take LCM in left side. Cross multiplication x plus 1, x minus 1. 2 by 3. Minus sign as it is. This is your. Now x minus 1 multiply by this one. So x minus 1 whole square. X plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. So x plus 1 whole square. Clear? Now expansion. A minus b whole square formula, and here a plus b whole square formula. A square. Right? A square Then middle term is minus 2ab. 2 ones are 2 into x, 2x. Plus first and last term always positive. 1 square is 1. Here x minus 1, so your answer this one. Here x plus 1. Same answer, but middle term is positive. X square plus 2x plus 1 upon, in a denominator, our identity a plus b and a minus b, so a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to 2 by 3, right? Now open the bracket. Now open the bracket in numerator. Open. X square minus 2x plus 1 minus. Now change the sign in 3 down. X square minus 2x minus 1 upon x square minus 1 equal to 2 by 3. In a numerator, x square cancel. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Right? Minus 2x is minus 4x. Upon x square minus 1 equal to 2 by 3. Clear? Now cross multiplication. 3 4s are 12x. Now here this bracket multiply by 2. 2x square minus 2. Now minus 12x. Now in right side. Here 0. Here first we write 2x square. Then we write 12x. So positive 12x. And here minus 2. So your highest power is 2. Highest power is standard form. We write here this one. 2x square plus 12x minus 2 equal to 0. Here whole equation is divisible by 2 also. So we can write also this one. X square plus 6x minus 1 equal to 0. Right? So this is your quadratic equation. Is that clear? Okay. Now this one. This equation is quadratic or not? Suppose here 5. Anyone, any number. 7. Open the bracket here. A plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square formula. First term square. A square plus 2ab. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12x. Right? And here 3 square. Same here. First term square plus 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12x. And second term square, this one, equal to 5. 5, 6, any number. Okay. Now open the bracket here. Here square. 4x square plus 12x. 2 square is 4, x square is x square. 12x plus 9 minus here 3 square. 9x square, open the bracket and change the sign. Minus 12x and minus 4. Now 5 in left side. Minus 5 equal to 0. Okay. Now like term is 4x square and 9x square. Both have sign different sign. Look here. So 9 is the bigger. So answer is negative. 9 minus 4 minus 5x square. Here 12x is cancelled. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. So this is your equation. Minus 5 in denominator. So x square equal to 0 because 0 divided by any number. Answer 0. This is your quadratic equation because our highest power is 2. Is that clear? So in this video lecture, we try to understand the concept of the quadratic equation. In any equation you give the quadratic or not, we have studied in this video lecture. Is that clear? Okay, thank you very much.